Please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, good afternoon to you,
Good afternoon.
and thanks for giving me opportunity to introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
I am Satya Yadav from Aurangabad, Bihar. As far as my qualification is concerned, I did graduation. Right now, I am doing master in English. I am a teacher, as well as my hobby is teaching, and I want to be English teacher in future.
Mm. You want to become an English teacher.
Yeah,
Why particular English teacher? There are so many subjects also.
yeah,
Why?
of course. You are You are saying right, but in most of the students are weak in India in English
Mm.
because they don't get such a environment to be
Mm.
improve their English communication and English language. So I
Mm.
thought I should start English teaching.
You will give English environment.
Yeah, I'll provide.
Mm. You will provide this opportunity.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
Okay. So tell me something about Aurangabad. Where is Aurangabad in Bihar?
Do you know Patna,
Yes, I know it's a capital of Bihar state.
Bihar?
Yes.
Okay. So Aurangabad is also in Bihar, and it is a district, and from Patna the distance of Aurangabad is 120 kilometer.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Aurangabad is near to Sasaram. Sasaram is very famous place in Bihar.
I think Sasaram, I heard this word when I was reading a biography of Sher Shah Suri. He
Yeah.
was emperor. Am
Mm.
I right? My information,
Yeah,
I think, correct.
yeah, of
Yes.
course you are right. Sher Shah Suri
Hmm.
Maqbara is very famous
Yes.
in Sasaram.
Yes. Because when I'm very fond of reading history, so I heard this name Sasaram. Yes.
Mhm.
Sasaram or Saharsa?
Sasaram.
Sasaram. Okay. Yes.
Saharsa is
Then
different
I
place.
Yes, then I got this information. Sher Shah Suri Maqbara. I think it was built there.
Mm. Yes, of
Hmm.
course.
Hmm. So, any famous temple of Aurangabad, famous places? Do you want to
Mm.
elaborate?
Aurangabad is mostly famous for Chhat Puja. Do you know Chhat Puja?
Hmm. Yeah, I know.
Aurangabad is the place which is the biggest famous for Chhat Puja in Deo. I think
Hmm.
most of the people come here in
Hmm.
Chhat Puja occasion from different different states and different, you can say, areas.
Hmm. Hmm.
The crowd, the crowd happen here when everyone comes. I think almost 2 or 3 lakh.
Hmm. Hmm. Good information. Yes. So, do you have any topic, or I will give you one topic? If you want, then
Uh,
I will give you.
First of all, I would like to know about you because you
Okay,
have.
I forget. Yes, yes. I'm Tanya. I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker. And my hobby is watching good movies, playing badminton. That's all about me.
Okay, good.
Hmm.
So in Rajasthan, which is the famous place for visiting? If you
There are
suggest,
so
I.
many palaces. Yes, there are so many palaces and museums also, like Amer Fort, Jantar Mantar, and Nahargarh Fort, Jal Mahal. These are very famous. Albert Museum also famous. Hmm.
Albert Museum.
And right now it's a December month. So
Mm-hmm.
in this month, December and January, all the places are full of, uh, crowd, I can say. And I'm also making plan visit. There is one place, Nahargarh. I will go
Mm-hmm.
there. Maybe 25 or 26 December, I will go.
Oh, have you
Hmm.
visited in Patna?
No.
No, Patna is
Hmm.
also very famous place of Bihar.
Yes, it is very famous, and there was a famous singer recently. She passed away.
Mm.
Sharda Sinha.
Yeah, Sardar Sena, yeah,
Hmm.
very
She
famous.
is also called Swar Kokila of Bihar.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Good information you have.
Because I'm very fond of history. So whenever I'm reading some state details, then I read these, information regarding Patna. Ancient
Yeah,
name was Patliputra.
Patliputra. I think if you are fond of history, so you should know about Patna because the history is, I think, very tangled with Patna. Patna,
Hmm.
Patna has a very old history.
Yes, there were very famous emperors like Samrat Ashok, Chandragupta
Mm.
Maurya, and I
Chanakya,
can say Bodh Dharma also, spread it from that place. Gautam Buddha.
Chanakya,
Hmm.
Gautam Buddha.
These are
They
the
were,
famous personalities from. They comes from Bihar.
yeah, they were born in Bihar. I think so. Then,
Yes, and a famous cricketer also, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, when Bihar and Jharkhand live together, I think right now
But
Jharkhand
that
is,
time, there was only one state, Bihar. Right now, it's two states, Bihar and Jharkhand.
yeah.
Hmm.
So
So, tell me one thing. How many sessions you are taking in a one day?
I have recently installed this application. Before it, I
Hmm.
didn't know. I have talked with, I think, two or three people only.
Mm-hmm. Whole day you are talking with two or three people.
No, no, no. All day don't. I told you I have recently installed it. So
Hmm.
only I talked with two people.
Okay. Did you also use any application?
No, I
There are so
don't use
many
any.
applications right now. Okay.
Hmm.
You have installed only Skype application for conversation.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So do you find it is really very beneficial application for improving your speaking skills?
This application.
Yes, Skype application.
Yeah, I think it is very useful for beginners and as well as who want to practice
Mm-hmm.
their communication skills. They can improve
Mm-hmm.
here. Yeah,
Okay.
because
Whenever you are getting free time, so what kind of activities you are doing?
I'm also fond of watching movies a lot. I every day watch one or
Okay.
two movies.
Okay. So
I'm
tell me any recent movie.
at the same most of the time I saw South movie because
Why South movie? Bollywood movies are also good.
yeah, Bollywood movie used to good, but I
Hmm.
think right now it's not making
Okay,
any
you are
good.
saying it was used to good, but nowadays it is not good.
Yeah, yeah,
But
because
yes, music is really good.
yeah,
Music really good. I think South
I like
movie mostly they are doing fight scenes.
fights. A story also good in South movies. Most of the
Mhm.
films, their
Yes,
story.
there was one news. It is related from Patna. Recently, one actress,
Allu
South
Arjun.
actress,
Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun and actor Rashmika Mandana, they
हाँ,
visited. There is a very big ground, Gandhi Maidan.
hmm. Yeah, the crowd
Yes.
was a lot.
Yes, I saw that information in newspaper.
Hmm.
Gandhi Maidan is really very big ground because
Yeah.
mostly, celebrities are going there.
Hmm. Gandhi Maidan is two big grounds in Patna
Hmm.
because whenever any leader comes, they also come in Gandhi Maidan.
Hmm.
Narendra
Hmm.
Modi and great leaders.
Yes, because whenever any big leaders, political parties, all are conducting in that Gandhi Maidan.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay. So, do you have any question for me?
Okay. Um, you have studied from English medium schools, yeah, your regional, you can say, your state medium school.
State medium school, Hindi medium school.
So I think 1 minute. So how did you learn English? Because the student who belongs to a state medium, they have to face many problems to improve English.
Hmm. But in this era, I can say it's not a very big challenge. We
Yeah.
can learn English easily. And we all are aware of mostly grammar rules. But if I talk about like speaking, in terms of speaking, that
Mm,
time you need a partner. You can do so many activities like self-talking. You can
mm,
hear some podcast also. And
yeah.
nowadays there are so many applications like Josh Talk and some
Mm,
other like is Fluency, where you
mm,
can do every day. You can get I think 15 minutes or 20 minutes free.
mm, mm.
So you can do practice every day. But
Yeah.
if I talk about like past days, like 5 years ago, not 5 years,
Mm,
4 years ago, that
yeah.
time there was not application available on the Play Store where you can talk with some persons, some learners. But
Mm.
nowadays we are getting facility, and speaking comes only by speaking.
The grammar is different and speaking is different. I have observed many times that most of the teachers
Hmm.
and most of the students have better knowledge in English grammar, but they are not able to, they are not capable of speaking.
Every time it is very difficult to memorize all the grammar rules.
Yeah,
Hmm.
because when we do
So the
anything,
only mantra is only secret is you should do more and more speaking practice
yeah.
and more. There are four steps: LSRW: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. If you
Mm,
have time, then you should follow these four steps. And
mm,
if you don't have time, because nowadays
mm,
everyone is very busy, occupied, so they
mm,
can just do speaking practice and listening practice.
yes, right.
Hmm.
We have also learned uh, by it.
Hmm. Yes. Any other question?
Any other question? Okay. First time I'm talking with you, so I don't have any question. But
Okay, it was a lovely session with you. I hope
okay,
you also enjoyed this session. Now we should wind up this session. Okay.
okay, of course.
Okay. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
अगला सेंटेंस है उसे खुद की एक अलग पहचान बनानी है। इस सेंटेंस को हम कई तरीक़ों से बना सकते हैं। जैसे पहला तरीका है शी हैज़ टू क्रिएट हर ओन यूनिक आइडेंटिटी। शी हैज़ टू क्रिएट हर ओन यूनिक आइडेंटिटी। शी नीड्स टू establish a distinct identity for herself. She needs to establish a distinct identity for herself. She has to carve a niche for herself. She has to carve a niche for herself. अगला सेंटेंस है हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा पल भी आता है जब उसे पछतावा होता है। देयर कम्स अ मोमेंट इन एवरी वंस लाइफ वैन दे फील रिग्रेट। देयर कम्स अ मोमेंट इन एवरी वंस लाइफ वैन दे फील रिग्रेट। और यू कैन से एवरीबडी हैज़ अ टर्निंग पॉइंट। एवरीबडी हैज़ अ टर्निंग पॉइंट। इसे ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं एवरीबडी हैज़ अ टर्न बैक मूवमेंट। एवरीबडी हैज़ अ टर्न बैक मूवमेंट।